The lakefront is closed to all pedestrian traffic. Please exit the area.
Oak and Lakeshore Drive. Police are announcing the lakefront is closed to pedestrians. A couple of helicopters up there hovering about a mile north over the lakefront. Comes a front end loader. This is the lakefront. Not a lot of people heeding the police warning. Helicopter going by overhead. Let's move in for a closer look. Down where the beach about would be here. These frozen ice formations out here, probably from the waves building up or wind pushing the ice up on shore. It's the Streeterville skyline there. A little farther north up Lakeshore Drive here. And there's all these abandoned vehicles going all the way up there. They're all empty, they're all off. Presumably got stuck here last night when the snow was heaviest.
You have to press a little bit longer.
And drivers just left them, I'm guessing. About a half mile further north now, and there's probably about 60 abandoned vehicles in a stretch of Lakeshore Drive here. They're just starting to work their way this far in terms of towing them away. I don't know where the drivers are at this point, but it doesn't look like there's any snow under the vehicles. They may have been presumably moved from somewhere else off to the side of the road there. We're at the footbridge right now. A cop is up there on the bridge threatening the people standing up there at the rest, saying they can't be up there. Underneath CTA bus stuck in the snow. It's probably the best scene I've seen so far that captures the scope of this. You can see all these vehicles, as far as you can see, stuck in the snow. They're actually in the snow, unlike the vehicles further south. Counted at least 5 CTA buses stuck in the snow here. Typically one of these would have been the ones I would take home from work. So these probably got stuck sometime late last evening and never made it up. Some people here supposedly were in here for 5-6 hours before they abandoned the vehicles. Up over the guardrail here, Outer Lakeshore Drive. Here's the insides of one of the buses. You can see it's starting to freeze over inside. Someone's groceries there, left on the front of the bus. Got some real nasty looking drifts. This is real interesting, forming right there. There's one of the buses a little closer to the guardrail. Door still open. Like an apocalypse scene in here. Controls all iced over. A movie set or something. One of many cabs stuck in the snow. Front end loaders doing their thing. Clearing the snow away from the vehicles here. Still on Lakeshore Drive. Easily passed hundreds of vehicles so far. Never would have known this was here based on what I saw on Michigan Avenue. It's a completely different scene. So your definition of irony, snowplow, stuck in the snow. Maybe more the fault of the vehicles around it than the plow itself. We're at 2200 North. This appears to be the most northern extent of the car pileup, whatever you want to call it here. As far as I can see north, the road's clear of both vehicles and snow, so I guess they're working their way towards the middle. South from here and then north up from North Avenue. Here's what they're taking the cars away on, flatbed tow trucks. Presumably because it'd be difficult to tow them in the snow here. Night has fallen and still the recovery effort stretches on. About 80 yards from the road there at the mouth of Diversey Harbor. For some reason there's a SUV way down here right above the breaker wall there. No idea how this got here.
I hope no one got hurt. Charlie? Yeah.
Can't see it here, but the airbag inside is deployed. Windows are gone, all filled with snow. Here's my street, completely unplowed still at the end of the day. Cars hopelessly stuck. All the way down here, know where they're getting out.